Hello, my name is Trevor Rees, and I'm going to be making a short presentation about the work of EnSo in innovation and sustainable processing and manufacturing in the agri-food business in Africa and Kenya in particular. EnSo is a project development business based here in the UK, largely working in Kenya with clean energy projects and innovation. We've been active in Kenya for about 10 years. In that time, we have delivered and are continuing to deliver a total of 4 Innovate UK funded projects, 1 agri-tech project and 3 energy catalyst projects, one of which is ongoing. We've been working on biomass energy in Kenya for a number of years, including through a partnership with Rainforest Alliance that focuses on the tea sector, and I'll speak about that briefly. We have a UK for-profit company called EnSo Trading Limited that's really focused on about creating these technology linkages. We have a not-for-profit arm in Kenya called EnSo Impact that delivers a lot of our project work. And we have a for-profit company called EnSo Ventures, which is really a vehicle for impact investing and commercial and social impact work. This is our agri-tech project that was developed and delivered with Brunel University and our Kenyan partners innovators. It aims to deploy an innovative solar thermal technology to displace firewood from tea production processes. The pictures show a tea factory called Kagwe, which is operated by the Kenyan Tea Development Agency. It's one of 70, and you can see the size of the wood pile. That isn't the full amount of firewood that's on site. That is used in the withering and production process, being fed into the boilers, as you can see in that image there. These are some images of the solar thermal technology that was deployed. It produced temperatures above 150 degrees C, which potentially could be used in different parts of the process, which requires steam temperatures from the boiler between 27 and 150 degrees. There is work, I think, still to do about how that technology can best be deployed in a cost-effective manner to really reduce the reliance of the tea factories on use of firewood. That wood pile kind of represents a fraction of what's used. KTDA probably burns about 3 million trees a year and is obviously extremely committed to reducing the amount of firewood that it uses. This is an illustration of one of our our energy catalyst projects that was delivered again with Brunel University at the Kenya Forest Research Institute, KEFRI. This is a containerized drying system that you can see, which was developed and built for KEFRI to dry their forest seeds, which are used in landscape restoration and tree planting. Kenya's made a commitment to restore over 5 million hectares of degraded land, and obviously tree planting is part of the way that this is achieved, and therefore they need high quality seeds. Typically, the drying process would use these simple concrete troughs that you can see on the bottom left. It's time consuming, it's not terribly efficient, and the containerized drying system is really intended to speed up and improve that process, and we've reduced the drying process from 4 weeks to 4 days. We also developed a sort of second prototype, which is largely built using off-the-shelf components and is intended to be a little bit more easy to maintain. If you can dry pine cones, as we have been doing, then potentially you can dry other things. So we're now looking at the potential for drying agricultural produce such as mango, and we have an ongoing feasibility on this to see the potential for reducing post-harvest loss for mango farmers. Some of the experience of collaboration: we're technology agnostic, we're interested in achieving impact, we're open to various kinds of solutions. Some of the challenges: I think follow-on funding is a key thing. Probably a lot of SMEs in this similar space would have that experience as well. Spend time on developing the partnerships. That's clearly an important element. What are we looking for looking ahead? Well, in brief, if you answer yes to any of these questions, please do get in touch. If you're interested in impact, if you're looking for partnership, if you're looking to make investment, or you have a technology or a challenge that you want help addressing, then please get in touch. My contact details are below. Look forward to hearing from you.